Having a spinal cord injury and having to use a wheelchair, or just having to use a wheelchair in general, you probably have stuff that you need to carry with you. So you probably have a backpack that you keep everything in. In this video, I'm going to be showing you what I carry in my backpack. Let me know in the comments what you carry in your backpack or what you carry around that you find useful or helpful or things that you need. If you are new to the channel, my name is Mason Ellis. I'm a C5 through C7 quadriplegic, and I make videos to help you live life just like you would have able-bodied. If you enjoy this video, give it a like and subscribe to the channel so you don't miss out on future videos. Alright, I'll show you what I carry in my backpack. On the outside, in the net area, on one side I keep my water bottle, and on the other side where the net area is, I keep a collapsible urinal. This is it, and you can see where these ridges are. You can open it up like that, extend it to where it's longer, and then you can close it to where it takes up less room. And then on the top there's a lid like this, so you can open and close it. If you are interested in any of these products, there will be links in the description below. Now to the biggest area, I'll open it up. In the main compartment, I keep catheters, and I normally start the day with 6 catheters in my backpack to last me the whole day. These are MTG Easy Gripper catheters, and I do have a video showing exactly how I use these independently. The catheters are what I keep in the main compartment, and now to this compartment back here that has the Velcro strap. In this compartment I keep a plastic bag, and it's actually one of the bags that is in the MTG Easy Gripper catheter package. In this bag I have a bag of gloves, a bag of blue towels, a bag of trash bags, and a couple of pads. Zip this back up. Now for the medium-sized compartment, I have this, which is what I used whenever the pandemic was going on, but it's basically something you can put around your neck to keep the wind off of you, or you can also use it to cool down. You can put water on it to cool yourself down, because as quadriplegics we do not sweat really, so it's important to have something to cool you down. I have a mini quad tool. This allows me to pick things up pretty easily. What I do is put my hand and wrist in here like this. It uses tenodesis to actually work the claw. You will do this and you can pick stuff up, and I can pick stuff up from the floor or up high, and they have different lengths. As you can see, I have another one back there that's a lot longer, but this size allows me to carry it in my backpack. I have an air pump for my cushion. I have this first aid kit that MediSafe sent me, and MediSafe is an app that I use on my phone for my medications to keep track of those and remind me to take them. That's what I have in the main compartment of this middle zipper, and then behind that there's another compartment, and this is where I keep some gadgets. The first one here is a gadget that is used to open cans and bottles, stuff like that. There is a tool there that you can put the cap or tab of a can in to open it up, and you can use that there to open a bottle and all kinds of stuff. It comes in handy a lot of times. I have this tool here that has multiple Allen wrench sizes on it. You can open it up like this and use it. It's pretty easy to hold on to because it's wide and it's grippy on the sides. This comes in handy because a lot of things on my wheelchair use Allen wrenches, so in order to tighten and loosen things up, I can just use this. Although the only downside is that it is wide right here in the handle, so it's not like your regular Allen wrench that is only this size right here. I also have 2 sizes of wrenches that my wheelchair uses, so that way I have wrenches on hand in case I need them if something on my wheelchair needs tightened or fixed somehow. And the last compartment here is the small one on the front. Can't see in here, so I just have to feel around. I have wired earbuds, and since most phones now don't have an auxiliary port, I have to have this, which plugs into where you charge it. And this is actually a splitter that allows me to have both the auxiliary port for my earbuds as well as a charger, so I can charge it and listen at the same time. And I also have this little converter for auxiliary to lightning in case it's an older iPhone. I have a charging cable for my phone or whatever. It's USB-C to USB-A, and it's plugged into this charging port made by Cripple Concepts that plugs into my wheelchair where I actually charge the wheelchair. But the good thing about this versus other things is that the wheelchair doesn't need to be on in order to charge your phone. I have a little flashlight, and lastly I have this Leatherman multi-tool that has all kinds of stuff such as a blade, corkscrew thing, different types of screwdrivers such as Phillips and flathead, ruler thing, and all kinds of stuff. So these multi-tools are handy to have. Don't forget to let me know in the comments what kind of stuff you carry around in your backpack or carry with you that you find helpful or useful. If you enjoyed this video, give it a like and subscribe to the channel so you don't miss out on future videos. Thank you for watching this video, and I hope you watch another one of my videos.